DNA lore of Voronezh the Eternal. The nuclear fish of Chernobyl origins 1870, the black depths of the Dnieper in the year 1870, beneath the icy waters of the Dnieper River in Imperial Russia, a freak natural phenomenon occurred. A meteorite, laced with an unknown glowing mineral, plummeted into the river just outside the town of Pripyat. The impact irradiated the water in a way no scientist could ever replicate. Within the aquatic cradle of this radioactive cradle, an egg hatched. Born not of nature, but of mutation, the creature was unlike any fish ever seen. Its scales shimmered with a dull green phosphorescence, and its eyes glowed like molten uranium. Locals called it Voronezh, meaning rumble, in an Old Slavic dialect, named after the seismic shudder felt the night it emerged. Voronezh was thought to be a myth for nearly a century. But the fish did not die. It could not die. Cold War. A silent watcher beneath. Through the 20th century, Voronezh swam silently beneath the surface of Soviet waters, growing with each passing year, absorbing traces of industrial runoff, waste, and discarded radioactive materials from military testing. It became more than a mutant, it became a living reactor. By the 1970s, scientists constructing the Chernobyl nuclear power plant were warned by old locals about the glowing guardian of the river. Soviet officials dismissed these tales as superstition, but some believe the reactor's design was subtly altered to take into account strange readings of radiation in the water, readings they could not explain. The Chernobyl disaster 1986. On April 26, 1986, when reactor number 4 exploded during a safety test, a rift between nature and man was torn open. The explosion awakened something beneath the earth. Voronezh did not flee. It surfaced for the first time in over 100 years. Eyewitnesses, soldiers and plant workers, described a glowing shape coiling through the irradiated floodwaters. Some say it absorbed the fallout. Others say it fed on it. For weeks after the meltdown, sightings of Voronezh increased. It was said to have grown to the size of a submarine. Its flesh steamed with toxic heat. Its gaze caused birds to fall from the sky. And then, as the exclusion zone was established, Voronezh vanished once more into the deep, radioactive lakes of Chernobyl. Modern-day 2025 rumors persist. Fishermen near the Pripyat River tell stories of boats overturned in the night. Drones sent to survey the cooling ponds disappear, with only distorted footage remaining. Frames of a glimmering leviathan, wrapped in tendrils of steam. Environmental scientists now whisper of bioreactive entity V1870, a classified organism believed to be a living containment unit of radioactive matter. Some say Voronezh is evolving, growing more sentient with each absorbed isotope. And somewhere, deep beneath Reactor 4's ruins, the glow never stops. Powers and traits of Voronezh. * immortal mutation. Constantly mutates to adapt to toxins, making it unkillable by natural or artificial means. * radiation pulse. Emits controlled bursts of radiation that distort electronics and biological senses. * telepathic residue. Those exposed to Voronezh radiation report vivid dreams of drowned cities and burning stars. * bioluminescent camouflage. Can appear invisible or as hallucinations underwater.